What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of some heavily awaited trimmers by myself. A lot of people have already got them. A lot of influencers on YouTube and Instagram have already received them far before, but I'm not one of those guys, so I had to wait for the drop. But I'm happy to get my hands on these, and we're going to go ahead and unbox these, and I'll show you guys what they are. And they're going to be the Babyliss Lo-Profx. So we're gonna hop into this video. I'm gonna let you guys see what's inside. You know the whole gist. We're gonna go through everything that's in it, let you see the trimmer, let you see the contents, and let's get to it.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
So as you can see, we got the Lo-Profx. There's the clipper, dope packaging. You see they have like the blueprint diagram of what the clipper is supposed to be like. Got your Lo-Pro Babyliss FX, high performance low profile trimmer. Got the top. They went all out with this packaging, I could say. So right here, got everything in English, French, and Spanish. You know, Babyliss is worldwide. It says the Lo-Profx collection features an ultra low profile metal shield cover with an ergonomic grip housing. It's powered by a high performance brushless 6,800 RPM motor with a high capacity 3,300 milliamp lithium ion battery. The design and power are completed by arming the Lo-Profx with a low temperature blade. Lo-Profx, the perfect machine for overall fill power and cutting performance. Now in the back, it has a little bit more specifications for the clipper. Ultra low profile metal shield cover. So this is going to be this shield cover here. High performance, high torque brushless motor, lithium ion battery, cord or cordless. 360 exposed T-blade, so you can see 360 degrees on the blade. Diamond light carbon, deep tooth 2.0 millimeter T-blade, zero gap adjustable. Ergonomic grip housing, dual voltage, so it's 110 or 220, I believe is what it means by dual voltage. But there's that. There's the other side. We'll go ahead and pop this bad boy open. So there's the trimmer. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this box off here. And I'm gonna pop the trimmer out, let you guys see that a little bit, but we'll get to that in a second. Go ahead and see what's inside the actual box. You got your oil, you got your zero gap adjuster, you got your screwdriver in there, and you got a brush. Let me give you guys a little secret. Now this brush right here is gonna be super good for color enhancement. So that's what we're probably gonna use this brush for right here. And then also you got your power cord and your user manual. Now you've seen everything in the box. Now here is the trimmer. Here is the metal housing. I'm digging the little divot for your thumb. It's also got an indentation on the back where you put your pinky or vice versa, thumb, pointer finger inside the divot. It's got the DLC 2.0 blade, like they said. Deep tooth. I'm digging this trimmer. I like how the button is on the side, your toggle switch. All right, well, let's turn it on. Very quiet trimmer. I'm digging how quiet it is right now. But the thing with Babyliss though is I feel like over time, this is gonna get pretty loud because of that cam follower is gonna get loose and it's just gonna start rattling like the Babyliss FX clippers and the Babyliss FX trimmer. I love the Babyliss FX trimmer, but I know that it can get a little loud. So let's do a comparison. So the Lo-Pro is roughly a little bit longer. It is a little bit thinner towards the bottom. It's about the same size roughly, but I'm just really digging this style. It's very, you know, ergonomical, like it says. You can tell just by holding it. I'm digging the metal plate, the weight of it, the metal backing, how it's all blacked out. But we're gonna have to see how this performs in the shop. I'm gonna use it for about a week, and then I'm gonna give you guys my review on what I think about this trimmer. All right, everybody, so you see there we got the trimmer unboxed. I'm digging the trimmer, I'm digging the weight, like I said, I'm digging how it looks, the overall appearance, the aesthetics of the trimmer, but the test of time is gonna be how it performs in the shop. And I'm gonna use it for a week, like I said, in the shop, and I'm gonna give you guys a full review, a full honest opinion about what I think about it, the cons, the pros, so stay on the lookout for that. But I appreciate everybody for watching this video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.